Our client is a leading gearbox manufacturer headquartered in Germany and with locations in over 50 other countries. The company has more than 8,600 employees and generates an annual turnover of over 2 billion euros. The company was carved out of a large, globally active group and was taken over by a private equity investor. The investor was faced with the challenge of establishing new structures in the company. This was particularly true for indirect procurement, which had to be completely restructured as a result of leaving the parent company's organization. In this context, the fear of dyssynergies, a lack of organizational structures, and possible cost disadvantages were at the forefront. Contrary to the expectation that advantages in indirect spend would be lost due to missing procurement power of the group, the new situation brought with it extraordinary opportunities. Together with the client, we managed to apply unconventional ideas and use the newly gained flexibility to achieve a structure that exactly matched their requirements.
In addition to maintaining ongoing operations, we helped establish a new procurement function for indirect procurement, including the definition of competency profiles and training measures that were precisely adapted to our client's new situation. In successful lighthouse projects, the new team was able to prove that the new organization can act quickly and deliver real added value for the company.
In contrast to indirect procurement, the company was already managing its direct procurement autonomously. In this area, other challenges had to be managed. The main focus was on leveraging potential in a difficult economic environment. In addition, the company was expecting a surge in demand in Asia in particular, and therefore wanted to optimize processes in these markets. Particularly at the production sites in China and India, we were able to demonstrate that further localization of the supply chain is considerably more efficient.
In India, the market situation was difficult. There were hardly any suppliers with sufficient capacity and the necessary expertise to meet our clients' requirements. However, as our client expects significant growth in India, we nevertheless continue to pursue the localization strategy. In order to identify opportunities for our client, we used our data and insights solution to quickly organize, classify, and report back on spend. In the next step, we used our supplier database and leveraged it with market information from AI-powered solutions from our partners. During the RFI phase, we communicated with suppliers to motivate them and how our client could support their efforts. A pool of capable suppliers emerged from the discussions. In a subsequent round of negotiations, we were able to contract the best fit suppliers for our client. In the ramp-up phase, we closely supported our client in the introduction of the new supplier. In this way, we were able to foster close cooperation and support development opportunities at the local supplier.
In this way, a local supply base was established in India, increasing the share of total spend in Asia to around 50% through relocalization. In addition, in collaboration with the client, we achieved savings of over 100 million euros, of which more than half were achieved in the first year. Through the establishment of a professional procurement organization for indirect spend, we delivered sustainable performance improvements and set the client up for future success. In Verdo, we deliver results.